Greetings, everyone, and welcome to The Rich Rabbit. Tesla was the first company which made the dream come true. In almost about 2 decades, Tesla did that one thing that everyone in the auto industry almost believed was impossible, i.e., create an all-electric brand that could sell hundreds of thousands of vehicles. Tesla could have done that in a boring way, developing equivalent of an electric VW Beetle. Instead, Tesla made fantastically compelling cars that are fast, look amazing, and are packed with features. Tesla was founded in 2003, shortly after GM destroyed the prototypes for its electric vehicle, the EV1. In 2004, Elon Musk came to the fledgling company and provided much of the initial capital to support it run. It was founded with the idea to create effective electric cars and sell them to the masses. Beginning in 2012, Tesla built stations called superchargers in the United States and Europe designed for charging batteries quickly at no extra cost to Tesla owners. Later versions of those stations were called Tesla stations and also had the capability of complete replacement of the Model S battery pack. In order to have clean air in cities, you have to go electric. Have you ever thought about the greatest Tesla cars ever made? Here's everything you need to know about Tesla Motors, from the Roadster through the new Model Y. Let's dive in. Tesla Roadster. In 2008, Tesla Motors released its first car, the completely electric Roadster. In company tests, it achieved 245 miles. That's 394 kilometers on a single charge, a range unprecedented for a production electric car. Additional tests showed that its performance was comparable to that of many gasoline-powered sports cars. The Roadster could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles in 96 kilometers an hour in less than 4 seconds, and could reach a top speed of 125 miles an hour or 200 kilometers an hour. The lightweight car body was made of carbon fiber. The Roadster produced no tailpipe emissions, as it did not use an internal combustion engine. Tesla Motors found that the car attained efficiency ratings that were equivalent to gasoline mileage of 135 miles per gallon. The vehicle's electric motor was powered by lithium-ion cells that are often used in laptop computer batteries, and that could be recharged from a standard electrical outlet. Despite a federal tax credit of $7,500 for purchasing an electric vehicle, the Roadster cost of $109,000 made it a luxury item. Tesla Roadster returns. Yes, that's right. The Tesla Roadster started the whole thing in 2008 and is returning in 2021. The aim is to be the fastest electric car on the road, with some impressive figures announced so far, with a 0 to 60 speed of 1.9 seconds and a top speed of over 250 miles an hour. It will seat 4 and has a removable glass roof. There will be several versions, with a Founder Series and a base model, and a $50,000 difference in price between the two. The original Roadster wasn't an original Tesla design. However, it was based on a Lotus platform, Tesla adding the drivetrain, batteries, and software. The Roadster is also the first production car to be launched into orbit. Tesla CEO Elon Musk made his personal Roadster, piloted by Starman, the payload on the 2018 launch of SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket, the most powerful operational rocket. The reservations are open for 2021 Tesla Roadster, and the base model price is $200,000, and the Founder Series price is $250,000. Model S. The Model S originally launched in 2012 and helped to put Tesla on the map as an automaker. Tesla has continued updating the Model S since its release, and the most recent model has 2 different versions, which are the long range and the performance, the standard recently being dropped. The price for each model is $80,000 and $100,000 respectively. With 375 miles or 345 miles of range, the Model S is very much an executive saloon, with similar long and low design lines as you might find on a Jaguar. Model S was the first design from Fremont, which was a luxury sedan that captured Motor Trend's Car of the Year award for 2013. While some earlier editions of the Model S offered rear-wheel drive, all the latest Model S operate in all-wheel drive. Now available in 2 models, the Performance has ludicrous mode for that insane acceleration, which brings a range of driver assistance. However, there's the option for this full self-driving upgrade at $5,500, which adds navigation to autopilot. self-parking, smart summon, traffic light recognition, and automatic city street driving. The Model S offers well over 200 miles of range, room enough for 5 passengers, and SUV-like cargo capacity. Obviously, being an electric, it does require patience when it comes to recharging. Although the performance trim can outrun supercars with a 0 to 60 time that tickles 2 seconds. Luckily for Tesla owners, the Model S has access to the electric car company's extensive supercharger network. Plug in at any one of these stalls, and you can be back to a full charge in under an hour. Isn't that great? Model X. Next, we have the Model X of Tesla. The Model X was launched in 2015. Tesla's Model X is the soccer mom or dad's answer to the electric car. It is an SUV-style EV capable of seating 7 people, but owes a lot of its design to the Model S, especially with that interior display. It uniquely features rear Falcon wing doors along with the huge touchscreen inside will make people think you bought a car from the future. There are 2 models, but 3 different seating configurations, with additional costs based on your choices for seats. Autopilot is included. The full self-driving upgrade option is $7,000. The 2 models are the long range and the ludicrous performance. The Model X offers 325 miles of range in the long-range trim and 305 miles of range in performance. Additionally, the 0 to 60 time is a staggering 2.7 seconds. As with the Model S, there are a number of different versions of the Model X as Tesla has realigned the model naming, with a 75D becoming long range and the 100D and P100D shifting into the performance line. Tesla is currently selling the vehicle in 2 trims, long range and performance, for $85,000 and $105,000 respectively. It's Tesla's most high-tech car. It could be called too tech, as even Musk has admitted they overdid it. The Falcon Wing doors alone threaten to delay the vehicle. Model Y. The newest ambitious project from Tesla is the all-electric Model Y compact crossover. Tesla founder and CEO Elon Musk touted a driving range of up to 300 miles and a 0 to 60 time of as low as 3.5 seconds when he unveiled the Model Y during a live stream event in March 2019. The 2020 Tesla Model Y looks very similar to the compact Model 3 sedan, but can be outfitted with a 3rd row of seats for a total seating capacity of 7. The 2020 Tesla Model Y will be the upstart automaker's first entry into the compact luxury SUV segment. There are 3 models for this one that are the standard range, the long range, and the performance. The 2020 Model Y will eventually be available in the cost leader standard range trim with the price of $40,200. But the first variants to launch will be the long range and performance models with the prices $49,200 and $62,200, respectively. Long-range models can be fitted with either rear or all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is standard on the Model Y Performance. The optional 3rd row of seats will reportedly cost $3,000 and won't be available until later in the Model Y's production cycle. The Cybertruck. The Cybertruck was unveiled in November 2019 as Tesla switched its attention to a pickup truck format. This is likely to be a lot more popular in the US than other regions, although reservations are open in other regions too. The Cybertruck has a unique angular design with a stainless steel body and armored glass. It will also have 2830 liters of storage and a towing capacity of 7,500 pounds. All these specs are for the US, with Tesla saying international specs will be developed depending on demand. The Tesla Cybertruck looks like it was dropped off by an alien race, but it has the capabilities to challenge all of the top-selling pickup trucks. With a sharp-edged exterior that is made of scratch and dent-resistant stainless steel, the Tesla's all-electric truck is seriously tough. Along with available all-wheel drive, the Cybertruck can tow up to 14,000 pounds and has an estimated driving range of 500-plus miles. While that applies only to the most expensive model, the cheapest one starts at $39,900. Obviously, there's still a lot we don't know about the Cybertruck, including when it will officially go on sale. Right now, it looks as if the first versions will go into production in late 2021. The Cybertruck is available with not just 1, not just 2, but 3 electric motors. While the single motor has rear-wheel drive, The 2 and 3 motor models have all-wheel drive. Tesla claims it'll go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and top out at 110 miles per hour. The dual-motor Cybertruck will reportedly reach 60 miles an hour in just 4.5 seconds and have a top speed of 120 miles an hour. Those looking for the ultimate performance will appreciate the 3-motor model, which Tesla says will essentially teleport from 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of 130 miles an hour. All Cybertrucks have an adjustable air suspension that can be raised or lowered on the fly and provides up to 16 inches of ground clearance. Add that to its 35-degree approach and 28-degree departure angles, and the Tesla pickup could prove to be a formidable off-road machine. The dual and tri-motor versions will arrive first, with production expected in late 2021, while the single motor is expected for 2022. Now that you have all the knowledge about the greatest cars made by Tesla, which one of these beauties attract you? Which one is your favorite? And which one would you love to buy? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon button so you'll get that notification whenever we post a new video.